At the conference, like the JP Morgan conference, you have all the leading hospitals in the country coming in there trying to pitch Wall Street to raise loans so that they can get the latest technology. Up to 4 years ago, all the COD hospitals were there saying, I have the latest robots, I have people who got NIH funding, we have all these people who got Nobel Prize. It was all about mine is better than yours and mine is the latest one. And that was really done for marketing purposes. Under the fee-for-services model there, that's what you wanted. You wanted to market to your community there, I have the best physician and I have the latest technologies. Nobody talks about this anymore. And one of the big challenges of the medical device industry is that is the medical device industry being commoditized. And what I mean by that is that when you talk to the hospital CEOs, they don't care about the latest technologies anymore, unless you have the cure for cancer, which I don't think is going to happen right away. Really, their biggest problem right now is that there is a consolidation of the industry. They're buying each other hospitals, they're buying physicians' practice, and they have to figure out how do they understand their cost structures, how do they understand the risk of their population, how are they going to identify the one that they can try to get to change behavior, and how are they going to manage all these different practices, which have different cultures and different healthcare systems and integrated data. That's on top of their list. And so I think the challenge of the medical device industry right now is that a lot of what they've come up with has been evolutionary, which is kind of the nice next generation there. But this is no longer what matters to the people who are buying, which is the head of the hospitals. Most of the physicians now are being part of the healthcare system there, so it's all these committees that make decisions instead of the individual physicians. And at the end of the day, we have had a very interesting conversation where we had very senior people. It was a medical device CEO conference there. Some senior people from a very large medical device company with some senior people on the payer side. And some of the payers says, I will not reimburse for these new orthopedic hips. What's the difference with the other ones? What I need is to identify people with depression. And I need to treat them because these are the issues that lead to all the other healthcare problems. And of course, we're talking about two different technical expertise. The medical device industry has fantastic experience in material science. They work very closely with physicians in evolving the existing product lines into something that's slightly better. And the challenge right now is that the role of all these players has changed. What we want is information technology. We want database management. We want things over mobile data. We want to go over the cloud. We want to basically get you wherever you are. Will it be in a mall or at your employer's settings? These are very different roles, different expertise. And so we have to see what's going to happen in the next 5 years. But I think the influence of the medical device industry, I think, is going down.